it's worked. You know, call me crazy. Maybe it's our subconscious that helps us believe it, but it has worked for me. Then what you're going to do is come up with one statement that you write down, and you write it in present tense. Now, I'm sure if you're into this type of stuff, you've probably seen it on YouTube with other people. There's so many people you can look up with great techniques about it, and I've gotten it off of a couple people on YouTube as well. But in regard to singing, the way I do it is I say, I am so happy and grateful now that, and then whatever you're trying to manifest, finish that sentence. So you could say something like, I am so happy and grateful now that I am singing the role of Annie in the musical Annie this spring. Maybe it's for your fall musical or spring musical. Or I am so happy and grateful now that my voice is louder and more flexible. And then once you get that statement, once you get the statement that you want, you're going to write it down several times. Now, in my opinion, the more you do it, the better. I've done it and it's worked.